Welcome to another exciting and fun quiz to test your knowledge. What was the primary reason for God deciding to send the flood in the story of Noah? Humanity's wickedness and corruption. How many pairs of clean animals did Noah take onto the ark? Seven pairs of clean animals. What sign did God give to Noah as a promise that he would never flood the earth again? The rainbow. How many days and nights did it rain during the flood? 40 days and 40 nights. What was the name of Noah's 3 sons? Shem, Ham, and Japheth. Thanks for playing. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.